Hello, friends, welcome again. Today I'm gonna give a book review about One Shot at Forever, and it's written by Chris Ballard. And I would say that One Shot at Forever is one of the high school recommended books for the summer reading 2020 for ninth and 10th grades. So when we read it, actually my son, he read it, and then I gave it a shot. I read it and really enjoyed this book. It's a powerful, inspirational nonfiction story of a tiny town of Macon, Illinois. And in this book, we will see that how the team, they worked hard, and all their efforts and their run at a baseball championship in 1971. So this story is about the English teacher, Lynn Sweet, that's the name of him, and how he began teaching at this school as an English teacher, and then he was approached to coach the team as a baseball coach. And his personality, the way he looked like a hippie, and his personality didn't fit the definition of a normal coach, but anyhow, his unconventional ways to teach the ragtag team led them to the state championship. The story talks about the baseball players and how they are living their lives, what drove them to play baseball, and how they changed from a team to a family. The team season became rocky at first, and then how they learned from their mistakes, and with all the unconventional training, the way how Sweet inspired them, how he helped the team to get success in their season and in the games. And with the team soaring success, they led to the state final, and then a small town of Macon, which was basically a town of farmers, how they were like happy to cheer for their team. And this also tells us about how Lynn Sweet, the coach, trained the boys and became their biggest cheerleader and their best friends. And then all these encouragement led the boys to do everything right and keep picking up and winning the games. And this story tells us about the Macon Ironmen, how they emerged from a field of 370 teams to become the smallest school in modern Illinois history to make the state final. I would say that it's a magical story which tells the importance of high school sports and how it shapes the life of those who play them and build everlasting bond with the coach, team, their town, and or their community, I would say. So if someone is into baseball or trying to get into any high school sports, it will inspire you that how you can build your bond and your friendship with your team, and how to like play and get inspired with this story and other players, and we all learn from each other. So I think this book is highly recommended for any of the kids who are looking for any summer reading, going into high school or are in high school. Well, being a parent, when I enjoyed reading this book, I would definitely say that it's a good read. And as it says, it's a beautiful and unforgettable book. It's about a small town, an unlikely coach, and a magical baseball season. Give it a try. It's a beautiful story, and I hope you have enjoyed this book review. Till next time, take good care, keep safe, and see you guys soon. Goodbye.